Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fumbi Alabi. So if you are stepping by for the first time, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, please. Thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, please, you guys are the real OG, and please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to put your comments down there, and don't forget to share my videos. That's how you can help me. Thank you. So on today's episode, I'll be showing you guys how to pack or style your hair with a kinky, weave on, and afro bun. So I'm going to be using my eco styling gel. Yes, so please go with me, guys, and just anticipate the transformation. And look at your girl, though she fine, almost rare. Wow, come on now. Fly away. So I was trying to pack my hair with a shoelace so the hair will be tight and be very firm. Here I was just talking about my front hair. Guys, see my front hair. Oh, it's low. So low. So I was packing my hair, and after packing it, then I have to weave the back. Just weave it gently.
Girl, I wanna be your owner. Girl, after you get over, baby, I don't really care the order. You become a rest from your shoulder, baby. Let us go far away, far away, to a place where no one can dictate how we play. Let us go far away, miles away, far away, to a place where no one can dictate how we play. Baby, let us fly away. Ooh, fly away. Far away, baby. Give me love, give me proper, give me sugar, give me tender. Anything you want to offer, baby, say no more, don't bother. I tutu boyo. Miles away, far away, and no one can dictate how we play. Miles away, far away. Baby, let us fly away, ooh, fly away. Baby, let us fly away, far away, baby. Baby, let us fly away. Ooh, fly away. Away, far away. Girl, I wanna be your owner. Girl, after you get over, baby, I don't really care the order. You become a rest from your shoulder, baby. Let us go far away, far away, to a place where no one can dictate how we play. Let us go far away, miles away, far away, to a place where no one can dictate how we play. Baby, let us fly away. Ooh, fly away. Far away, baby. Give me love. don't bother. I tutu boyo, I tutu boyo. Miles away, far away, oh. No one can dictate how we play. Miles away, far away, oh. Baby, let us fly away, ooh, fly away.
Okay guys, if you watched the video to this point, thank you so much. I love you. I really love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So the next video I'm going to be showing you was my first attempt. Like I filmed this video hoping to post it, but it did not come out nice before I did this one. So thank you so much guys.